So if you're wondering why I'm burning the sides and the ends of the board, it's because it hides the imperfections of where the board's not exactly true whenever they butt up against each other. Some people will paint the wall behind it to try to hide it, and this works just as good. And you'll see the propane tank as well. You know, I went through like 1.5 cans of propane, the little 1 pound tanks, and I'll leave a link up here to a video I had that shows you how to refill those tanks. But my wife was asking me, she said, why did you burn the wood? And I said, well, it brings out the wood grain. But this was just a little project out here in my shed or my shop, just something to kill time. I think it was very gratifying, very satisfying time to go out and to reflect on life and things in life in general while I'm doing this. I wasn't going to make a video on this, but I had so many people asking me questions about it, sending me private messages where they saw pictures of this on my Instagram and on my Facebook, that I decided, hey, what the heck, I'm gonna make a video. Well, that's it. All I have to do now is just go back with some trim above the top. Everything's done with pallets. So, yeah, I like it. Hang up my blinds and get some trim put up around the top. Trim over in the corner. Trim right here on the side. Trim across the bottom. We'll be golden. Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Got any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Y'all have a good one now, and you come back.